Hi, this is Paul from Reliable POD, and this is a tutorial on how to create designs for our range of posters using our templates and uploading into our Shopify app. First thing you'll need to do is get a copy of the template. To do that, go across to our website, find the product that you're looking for, then scroll down to the template section. With the posters, we've got them in landscape, portrait and square aspects, obviously. So download whichever template you require. Also gives you a quick overview of the sizes of the images that you need to create. Also on the web page, there's some free mock-ups for the posters you can download to create artwork for Instagram or Facebook or whatever you fancy. There's also, if you've not used product mock-ups before, there's a video there showing you how to create them for posters and canvas. It's very similar between each product, so one video will cover that. So you get the template, download it, open it up in your graphics program. I'm using Photoshop, but any should do. And you will see that the ideal image size to create for the app is 4,320 by 2,880 pixels. Just remember that's pixels and not millimeters. And also note you have to make your designs to exactly this size for them to upload into the app. Even if you're 1 pixel out, it'll reject it. The reason we do that is because our software has to resize and scale artwork to fit multiple variants of a product. So if we're out on the upload dimensions, it causes problems. So if you upload at this size, either using this template or creating your own design without a template, you will be fine. You've got your blue critical image area, and then you've got your red border, which is a bleed area. We may chop off or crop off the bleed area. So anything you definitely want on your poster, drop it into the blue area there. Also make sure that your artwork covers all of the template right out to the outside edge of the red. Don't just stop your image here at the blue, because that'll be too small. Make sure it fills the entire area. So here's a simple image that created earlier, and if you check the size on that, 4320 by 2880 at 200 dpi. That should fit perfectly. If we copy that, if we drop that then onto our template, copying, it's quite a big file. If we drop that onto there, that should fit it, which it does. And as you can see, that fits perfectly. If you then go and save that as a JPEG and upload it, that should upload fine onto the website. Obviously the portrait template is different different aspects, same for the square, but that should do you. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.